Let's start with the eyes. Follow along, it's easy. Right here, the nose sits just below the eyes, like this. Keep the same spacing between the sides, eyes, and mouth, and she will start looking just right. Keep those curves soft, and the head is done. Once you outline, use this moment to clean up any small lines. And with the color, she's really coming together. Take your time on the body. Pause and go at your own pace. Keep those curves smooth. Erase anytime you need to. A few final touches and there she is.